The first iOS 26.5 beta has now landed for developers, but where most new versions of iOS are upgrades, this one could almost be considered a downgrade in some ways. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. A code spotted by Mac Rumors suggests that Apple Maps might get ads based on your approximate location, current search terms, or view of the map while you search. Thankfully, this hasn't rolled out yet, but it doesn't mean it's not going to. Apple plans to fully implement them this summer. Still, Apple Maps does have a desirable new feature too, with a new Suggested Places section that will recommend places you might want to visit based on what's trending nearby and what you've searched for recently. Perhaps the biggest upgrade in this beta, though, is the re-enabling of end-to-end encryption for RCS messages between Android and iPhone. This feature was actually there in the iOS 26.4 beta, but didn't launch with the finished version, so Apple's clearly testing it. It remains to be seen whether it'll be ready this time for iOS 26.5 release to keep messages between these two platforms secure. Plus, Siri's upgraded AI capabilities are long overdue at this point, and recent leaks also suggested that a standalone Siri chatbot could be coming soon. But none of those are coming with this update, so we'll likely be waiting until iOS 27. As for the release, you can download the beta version now, but waiting till the finished one is the better option, as it's going to be more stable with less bugs. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.